Hey, welcome back to our home learning time. It's Miss Mullis. We're going to work on packet number 3. We're working on week 2, day 3. Make sure you got your packet number 3 ready. Oops, again, I forgot to check off yesterday. We're working on week 2, day 3. We're starting with money. This is a picture of pennies. Pennies are the little brown coins. Sometimes they look a little bit gold. They're called copper, but most of the time they're kind of brown looking when we get them. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So when we count them, we're going to count them just like we count everything else with ones. When we read the money sign on here, it says 3 cents. That little thing right there, the C with a line in it, is cent. 3 cents. So we've got to color in 3 cents. And I'm going to use a brown crayon, a brown marker, since that's the color most of our pennies look. 1, 2, 3. 3 cents. And you're going to keep doing that for the rest of the page. The next page we're going to do is adding. Adding means we're putting 2 groups together, 2 sets of things together, or 2 numbers together. Let's count how many hot dogs we have. 1, 2, 3. Let me write it so I don't forget. And now let's count our onion rings. 1, 2, 3. Write it so I don't forget. Now let's read our number sentence. 3 plus 3. There's no equal sign there. Let me show you how it would be. It would go there. 3 plus 3 equals what? How many pieces of food do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pieces of food in this group. So we would circle the number 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 and 3 is the same as 6. You're going to do that for the rest of the page. Our next word says that we're going to find and record it words. It. So words that rhyme with it. You look at our picture down here, and it has words hidden all over it. Some of those words are real it words, and some of those words are silly it words. That means they're not real words. So let's read a couple of them. I want to read this one that I see down here on her arm. It, it, kit, kit. I've seen a kit before. I've seen a first aid kit before. So that is a real word. So I'm going to write that word kit under real. It, kit. And I'm going to draw a line through that one because I already did it. Now let's try this word. J-I-T. J, it. J, it. Jit. Jit. I don't know what a jit is. I don't think that's a real word. That sounds silly. So I'm going to put that on the silly it word side. J, it. Jit. I'm going to draw a line through it because I have done that word. Then I'm going to find another word, read it, and decide if it's a real word or a silly make-believe word. After I have found all the words, I'm going to have 6 real words and 6 silly words. I've got to pick one of these real words and make a sentence with it. Like I could write about a kit. On my line, I could write, I have a first aid kit. Or I need a first aid kit. You're going to pick one of your words. It doesn't have to be kit, but one of your real words and make a sentence with that word on the line. Our next page is the sight word page. Let's read our sight word first. Our word is E-A-T, eat. Like I want to eat lunch. E-A-T, eat. And you're going to say it, spell it, trace it, say it again. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. Now we're going to write it in our space on our sentence. E is a small letter. E. A is a small letter, A. And T is a tall letter. E-A-T, eat. Now let's read our sentence. He will eat a cob. He will eat a cob. They're talking about a corn cob. He will eat a cob. So spell the word, write the word, and read your sentence. Now we're going to do read and dot the family words. UN says un. Remember, U says like umbrella. Un. So I'm going to read a word. In. Bin. Does bin rhyme with un? No. Run. Run. Un. Yes, those rhyme. So I'm going to circle that. Ram. Un. No, those don't rhyme. Bun. Un. Yes, those would rhyme. So I could color in or circle that one too. Now, when I finish reading all the words and I have circled or colored all of the un words, I've got to write 6 of them here. So I'm going to write run. Run. R-U-N. Run. We also found bun, so we could write it. And there are other words up here that you're going to find to fill in your boxes. Then pick one of those words to make a sentence with. Like if I have run, I could write a sentence. I like to run. Or I can run fast. Or the dog will run. I saw the cat run. So you're going to pick one of these words and make a sentence with it here. And then pick a different word and make a sentence with it on the next line. And that's all you have for today. You've done a great job with your hard work. Keep it up. And I'll see you tomorrow.